In this video, we will be giving you a full tour and finish off with an honest review of the Royalton CHIC Cancun, so make sure to stay till the end to see if it's worth the visit. The Royalton CHIC Cancun Resort and Spa is an adults-only, all-inclusive autograph collection that offers luxury beachfront accommodations with a rooftop sky club and stunning views. The resort features diverse dining options, including a steakhouse, Japanese eatery, and Mexican restaurant, all with unlimited dining, and is conveniently located just 30 minutes from Cancun Airport. We'll start off with the accommodations. The Royalton CHIC Cancun boasts an array of luxurious rooms and suites designed to provide guests with the utmost comfort and relaxation. Each room features the signature Royalton Dream Bed, ensuring a restful night's sleep. With a choice of the resort or diamond club sections, guests can tailor their experience to their preferences. The resort section offers a range of options, including the luxury suites. These feature a plush lounge in the living area, creating the perfect space to unwind and enjoy the dream bed. For a brighter and airier feel, the luxury junior suites are also available, offering a comfortable pull-out couch with balconies that provide breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea or the Nichupte Lagoon. Guests can soak in the natural beauty right from their suite. The Diamond Club luxury suites take the experience up a notch with private balconies that offer spectacular ocean views. These suites also allow guests to mix up cocktails from the minibar or request assistance from their private butler, providing an elevated level of service and access to exclusive spaces throughout the resort. In addition, there are more spacious and opulent options like the Presidential and Chairman Suites, perfect for larger groups or for those seeking extra luxury with features like in-suite jacuzzi tubs and stunning ocean or sunset views. No matter the room category, guests at the resort will enjoy a combination of modern amenities and elegant design for an unforgettable stay. Onto the food. The Royalton CHIC offers an exquisite dining experience with a variety of food and drink options included in the all-inclusive package. Guests can choose from 6 restaurants, ensuring there's something to satisfy everyone. Gourmet Marché is an international buffet restaurant open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, serving a diverse range of local and international flavors. Excite is a sports bar and grill featuring big screens for sporting events and a menu offering traditional pub meals and snacks. For those craving a true steakhouse experience, Hunter Steakhouse Restaurant is the place to be, where chefs prepare your steak in an open kitchen. Agave Mexican Restaurant offers a fusion of Mexican and American cuisine, blending Spanish recipes with European influences. For drinks, guests can visit the Martini Mix Bar, the Lobby Bar, Gelato and Cafe Lounge, Dips Pool Bar, or the Beach Bar, each offering a selection of beverages and light bites. Jade Restaurant serves authentic Asian fusion cuisine, including teppanyaki and sushi. For a truly indulgent experience, Cloud9 at the Diamond Club Bar offers a 7-course gourmet menu prepared by a chef. To add to the entertainment, Taboo Lounge, located on level 3, hosts live music and karaoke, making it the ideal spot for pre-dinner relaxation or post-dinner entertainment. With this range of dining options, guests can savor a world of flavors during their stay. Now the fun. The resort has an array of entertaining activities and amenities to ensure a memorable and fun-filled stay. The pools are a key highlight, with the main pool conveniently adjacent to the beach, allowing for easy transitions between sunbathing and swimming. An additional pool nearby offers a more relaxed atmosphere, perfect for unwinding, while a jacuzzi pool provides a luxurious and soothing experience. Diamond Club guests can enjoy their own exclusive pool, located just steps away from the pristine beach. This tranquil pool area allows for relaxation and direct access to the Caribbean's crystal clear waters. The Level 18 Rooftop Cabana Lounge, an adults-only sky club, boasts an extended pool, a nightclub, and an a la carte restaurant and private cabanas. This hotspot hosts signature events led by DJs, ensuring nights filled with music and dancing. Theme parties, live sports screenings, and thrilling foam pool parties add excitement to the mix. For those with a fondness for culture, the resort hosts Mexican nights on Tuesdays, featuring an outdoor buffet and live mariachi band performances, a chance to relish authentic Mexican cuisine and cultural vibes. Karaoke nights provide interactive and enjoyable entertainment as well. During the day, the Royalton CHIC Cancun fully embraces the concept of all-in luxury, offering a plethora of daily activities. Guests can engage in beach volleyball, table tennis, Latin-inspired dance classes, snorkeling, kayaking, aerobics, and even an introductory scuba diving lesson in the pool. The resort ensures that there's always something fun and engaging to do, appealing to guests of all ages and interests. You can look forward to days and nights filled with entertainment, adventure, and relaxation, making your stay an enjoyable and unforgettable experience. Whether you seek the thrill of foam parties and live music or the serenity of poolside relaxation, this resort has everything you need for an unforgettable vacation. The Royalton is also committed to your well-being. The Royal Spa offers an array of rejuvenating treatments, from massages to mani-pedis designed to ease tension and promote relaxation. The hydrotherapy circuit features an indoor pool, sauna, and more. The spa menu includes facials, body treatments, massages, and manicures, all incorporating time-honored healing practices for a truly revitalizing experience. Your fitness needs are also well catered to with the Royalton Fit program. The fitness center, led by certified instructors, offers a variety of classes, from serene yoga sessions to high-intensity workouts like Zumba and boot camps. Whether you prefer a spa day or an energizing fitness class, the resort provides the means to enhance your well-being and indulge in self-care during your luxury all-inclusive stay. Now, on our channel, we aim to be sincere and transparent in our evaluation of any resort. And upon conducting thorough research on the Royalton CHIC Cancun, we found that the resort has received a notable score of 4.5 out of 5 on TripAdvisor, which is considered excellent. Our usual recommendation is to opt for resorts with a score of 4.5 or higher on TripAdvisor, as it generally indicates a positive reflection of the service and overall guest experience. Upon examining guest reviews, several positive aspects of the Royalton CHIC Cancun stood out. Many guests specifically mentioned that exceptional service provided by the staff. Some guests even went so far as to name individual staff members in their reviews, to highlight the excellent service they received. This consistent commendation of the staff is undoubtedly one of the resort's strongest points. Additionally, guests were highly impressed with the beach, describing it as both relaxing and beautiful. The pristine beach undoubtedly adds to the appeal of the resort. However, in the spirit of honesty, it's essential to acknowledge that a small number of guests expressed disappointment with the food. They felt that the cuisine did not meet their expectations. It's crucial to recognize that taste in food can be highly subjective, and what may not appeal to some guests could be perfectly satisfying to others. Overall, the resort received an excellent rating, and many guests expressed their intention to return for another visit. It's noteworthy that several reviews mentioned guests who were returning for the second or third time, which speaks to the resort's ability to create a positive and memorable experience for its visitors. In summary, the Royalton CHIC Cancun boasts an excellent rating on TripAdvisor, with praise for its exceptional staff and beautiful beach. While there were some criticisms regarding the food, it's essential to keep in mind that individual preferences may vary among guests. The resort's high rate of return visits is a testament to its overall appeal and quality. That's it from us. Don't forget to subscribe for daily travel videos, and thank you so much for watching.